Siyabonga baba wami, ngicela ukukhuleka kakhulu esikweni samabandla, ngicela ukukhuleka kongangezwe lakhe, ngicela ukukhuleka kongangokujula kolwandle, ngicela ukukhuleka kongangey'ntaba zakhe zonke, indlula mithedla phezu kwezinye iy'hlahla. Ngikhuleke enkosini yakithi kwaMandlakazi, ngiphinde ngikhuleke enkosini yakwaNqobuzulu, amakhosi abanomndeni emithathu. Ngiyathokoza futhi ngibeza ngiyabingelela ngokukhulu ukuyithoba kubaphathi besiteshi nami basakazi nabalaleli.
Sibonge kakhulu ayiphazamiswanga ngenza kanje. Lento yisifundo. Yisifundo. Umuntu inkosi ayakhele ibutho lakhe, induna yakhe, umuzi kababa, oyise abangasekho, amaqhawe akawonke, iy'bongo zakhe zomsizwa. Njengoba umuzi wesho kanti yisifundo lento. Mfana umthakathi mfowethu, asihlale odabeni. Kwenze njani nje?
Ezweni kwenzeka into okufanele ngabe yenzeka, kwenzeka into ngabe yaqala ngo-1994 ukuthi abantu abayizakhamizi babe yingxenye yokwelekelela uhulumeni, ngoba uyabona nje ubona abanye abaholi bekhuluma engathi lokho okwenziwayo esikwenzayo ezweni sizinsizwa kuyinto embi, ingoba bona kabekho lapha emjondolo kwajini, abekho emjondolo kwa-F, abekho emjondolo eMandeni, abekho emjondolo eNewcastle, abayiboni lezi ngane zidla idakamizwa, ababazi ubuhlungu bokuza komzali ungenawo amandla okumsiza ezokukhalela athi ingane yami ngoba wena unegama ku-social media ungakwazi ukungilekelela nkoqo ingane yami kuyiyo kuphela isize ey'dakamizweni. Manje-ke sathemba abantu kakhulu, abaholi bethu sabethemba saze sabanikeza nomsebenzi ongaphezulu kwabo ukuthi bekwazi ukubona yonke indawo, sibenze imishini ekwazi ukwenza yonke into. Isizathu sokuthi ubona lemibhidango yethu inokuthula ngoba sizama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi kungabi nodlame, kodwa futhi umlayezo ufinyelele njengobunjalo.
Kuyezwakala mfowethu, abanye abantu mina bazi ukuthi lezi zisizwe amalokishini those are hunger wars. So wonke into oyizwayo abantu ebhedlela abantu those are hunger wars, those are drug wars, those are turf wars. The things you see in Mexico, you see them happening here. Sibambe lapho phethe lenkulumo esisazofunda kakhulu. Ngifuna nje ukuthanda bona sibambe phezulu asithande siyethile
The Minister of Higher Education, Science and Technology, Bojimana Mela, says the department is committed to strengthening youth development through innovation and skills training. And the Congress of the People is in Mosoguti, uthathe inyathelo eliphuthumayo uqinisa iy'nhlelo zokungena kwabantu kuleli zwe kanye nokulawulwa kwemingcele. I will bring you more news and other stories at 8 o'clock.
Yes Play has put the feeling of yes into Sports Update. Yes Play, the feeling of...
Oh yes, KZN, a very good morning. Igama usamkelo the sports in Chita. So kala with some football news umqeqeshi Bafana uHugo Broos uzomemezela iqembu ezoyodlala lapha kwi-2026 FIFA World Cup namhlanje at a dinner hosted by President Cyril Ramaphosa lapha eSefako M Presidential Guest House ePitoli. Broos faces some tricky decisions enciphiseni isquad sakhe from 32 players initially selected to 26. Perhaps the most difficult azoyenza lapha in the goalkeeping department.